Good morning YouTube, Lego construction guy, back again. We are going to get into bag 4 of the Lego Technic Bugatti build. It's 7:45 on a Sunday morning. I've already got a workout done. I want to do about half an hour now, and then I'm going to go and have a bit of breakfast, and then I'm going to finish this today because I really want to start the next project. I've got all day today to enjoy some Lego making. Did I just drop a piece? Hopefully not. If at the end we have a piece, we know how I've dropped a piece. So yes, we're going to get into bag 4. Build. I spent yesterday afternoon and evening trying to work out time lapses of the videos I've already done, and it's just a nightmare. It really is an absolute nightmare. Right, so I've got 4, 4, 4 and 4. Is that 4 of these little rods? But yes, I want to get this done today. And then I need a big giveaway. It needs to go somewhere. It needs to find a home, a worthy home. It's not just going to go anywhere. Somebody that deserves it. So I need some ideas. Hey, I'm getting like 2 views. Let's be honest. Is anyone even watching this? Am I just talking to myself? I think it's these. I think it's these little rods. I think. Do they? Is that what joins that? No. Maybe they shouldn't touch. Having a nightmare, everybody. So that goes in there, and 4 of these little rods. So as long as there's 4 of these little rods, we are doing something right. That little rod, no, that's a little rod. Okay, there's more than 4. Damn it. I still think it's right though. I still think it's right. I'm going to go for it. It'd be a shame to get it wrong now. What have we got? We're going to do about half an hour. My idea for the next video is to do an intro and then time lapse all of it. I don't know whether that's going to reach more people. It means people aren't going to have to listen to me rambling on. So that is my idea. 4. I do think it is these. I do. Right, I'm going to go for it. Oh! Was that meant to... Ah! I don't know if that's meant to push that out or not. I need another view of this. Maybe that way to join those up. And then that stays stuck out the back. Right, I need to see where this goes. Oh no, there is a gap. Right, there is a gap. There is a gap. Okay, I did have it right. Difficult to see sometimes on these instructions. Yeah, it's difficult to see. Oh, small pieces. So it is Sunday morning. I've been up early. Got a good solid workout in. Tough workout. It's those it's the days when you don't want to that you've still got to, and they're the ones that make the difference. So no being lazy out there, people. Get your ass moving, and then you can build Lego. And then I'll go for a decent ruck this afternoon. Get my weights vest on and yeah, get rucking, get moving. Nothing too crazy, just an hour or so. An hour at a decent pace. Get a few kilometres in. Well, that's all I've made so far. We've been going 6 minutes. Drink water, everybody. Well, I'm thirsty. Right, so we've got some wings to build. We've got some wings to build. 22. Yep. One of these. I've been looking at. There's some cracking Lego sets. I was watching a guy build the Titanic. He did that on a time lapse, which I think was sensible because that must have been hours and hours. But one day I will build that because that just looks so much fun. Right, that one first. 1 second. I saw the Eiffel Tower as well, but it seems like that is just quite repetitive. Probably not the most fun build that you could do. So maybe not. Maybe not. I'd rather be able to give away some Star Wars stuff to people, because I know Star Wars is popular and there's did I use the right piece? Yes, I did. I think I've given myself a shadow somehow. What am I doing? Oh no, what am I doing? There we go. Yes, Star Wars is much more popular probably than the Eiffel Tower, which is amazing, really. If there is anyone out there that would like to comment, I've had a couple of comments, not many comments, but that's okay. This is all new. It is all starting somewhere. Does that go through? Oh yeah, that does go in there. Does it go right in there to touch? Yes, it does. Okay, that all looks right. We are on 241. Okay, got some yellow wings to build. So it looks like I'm just sort of repeating the same process a few times for this one. She knows. So anyway, I'm going to, let's pronounce our word properly. I'm going to build till about 8:15. And then I am going to have a quick shower, yes, have a quick shower and just have a little mosey out, get some fresh air, because I cannot be stuck in all day. What doesn't look right there? What have I done? Why are they the same? Ah, that's the one I needed. Sorry everybody, sorry team. I'm rushing on again. I've got this habit of looking on too many stages, and I think I've got some cat hair in my nose. Yeah, I'm looking on too many stages and it's throwing me because I'm missing the bits I'm doing. I'm just eager beaver. Oh, come on. These are the pieces I can never find. The little cylindrical ones, ovalish. The little ovalish ones with the 2 cross holes in the middle. Where are you? Ah, got it. Don't panic. Don't panic. I'm glad I got this nice white worktop to do this on. It does make it a bit easier. It really does. Okay, we are rocking and rolling. So this, crap. Somehow no, that can't go in there because it hits something. What have I done wrong? Oh, the wings open, then it goes in. Oh. Okay, so the 2 go up and 2 go down. Right. We're there. 245. Right, 2 little wings, an 8 and a 7 apparently. 8 and 7. Yeah, so this bag shouldn't take too long, he says. Have I put that in the wrong hole? Yeah, I have. That's me not paying attention again. 7 goes. What the hell is that piece? That's that bit. Okay, so we've got a little wing there. And we've got a little wing there. I think I'm making now a front piece, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little holes. Is that bit? I don't think it is, so it might be. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. It is, it is. So what does everybody have planned for their Sunday? Hopefully not too much binging on rubbish. Hopefully people are getting out and about. getting out and about. I've got the hiccups. I think after training, drinking lots of water. Some more actually. I'm definitely looking forward to my coffee this morning. Come on, click in. Come on. Oh, go in the little holes. Don't want to break it. Was that not going in there? Yeah, got it. And another one. We're nearly at stage 250. 250. I wonder how many stages the Millennium Falcon has, or the Titanic, or... Yeah, I wonder. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Right, so I've sort of angled myself a bit differently today. I don't know where the cats are. Sunday. They've obviously been so busy. It's the Sunday cat day of rest. I've got a sticker coming up. Oh my god, I've got 10 of those. Right, let's get this sticker on. Sticker 13. W16.4. Guessing that relates to the size of the engine pistons. Okay, so from there. Ooh, that's pretty straight. That's pretty straight. Jeez, that's pretty straight. Pretty pleased. Right, got to make sure I get all these little red thingamajiggies the right way round. There's a few of them. Okay, so we get to there. They're the other way, and then there's 3 from the top. These are fiddly, but it's nice when they're a different colour, because you can actually see the difference of each piece. Right, 1, 2, 3, they're right, 4, they're right. Okay, so okay, you turn it around, put another sticker on the other side. That makes sense. So 3 of these up from the underneath, the underbottom. The wheels are cool, actually rubber. I'll put those to one side. So we flip that over, and then let's do this other sticker. Do I enjoy the stickers anymore? Nope. And that goes from there. Yes. Right, that joins into that. Okay. What time is it? What time is it? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Some people aren't even awake yet. We've been up, we've had a coffee, we've worked out, we're back, we're building Lego. We are on it. We are on it. You cannot give up. You cannot stop. Come on, little cylinder bit. Little. Yeah, got you. Got you. 251. Right, I guess. Okay, I'll put that to one side. And then we've got some more wings. Ready. This has been a fun build. There's so many more to build. It is endless, but I really am liking the idea of the bulldozer. That bulldozer looks so cool. It really does. It really, really does. And there's cranes. We could build some cranes. Everyone loves cranes. Everyone loves a crane. I mean, the Russians don't probably like a Ukraine, but that's a whole nother story. Right, where was I going with this one? 2 times. It'd be nice if they'd have given, I guess it's these because there's only 2 of them, but everywhere else they've given you a scale of how long something is, and there's 2 different types of black rod, short ones and a slightly longer one. I guess I've got it correct because it's all gone together, don't we? That does not go in there. Why does that not go? Oh, you've got to use the little joining piece. I see. Then that goes in there. Does that face inwards? Yes, it does. So that faces inwards. Here we go. Otherwise it would push out. Of course it would. First Lego build in many, many years. Many. And I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I'd actually look forward to doing it. It's fun. It's great. Don't know why anybody wouldn't love doing a bit of Lego building. Right, I've got some stickers to do, 8 and 9. So 9 goes on the left. Does 9 go on the left? Let me turn that round. Yes, it does. Definitely need to get some tweezers today because it is difficult to got my tongue out, got my concentrating tongue out. Yeah, it's difficult to be able to lay the stickers down with my hands being in the way. Not bad, not bad. Oh, that's my stomach rumbling. I'm hungry. I am hungry. I try not to wake up and eat too early. You've got to stay fasted. You've got to earn that breakfast. A lot of people don't earn their breakfasts. They just are gluttonous and eat, and they haven't earned it. And they're eating the wrong things as well. You don't need to be sat at home eating cereal. It's bad. It's bad. Very bad. Look into the history of Kellogg's, everybody. Just take a look at the history of Kellogg's and you won't eat cereal ever again because it's utter rubbish. Don't get me wrong, it's tasty, but that's the idea. Okay, everyone loves a crunchy nut cornflake with gold top milk, but it's a load of rubbish. You shouldn't be eating that every day. I don't want to get all preachy. Oh, I am killing it with the stickers. Look at that. Now where does that go? This is another. Where does that go? Oh, okay. Right, I need to pick this up. It's delicate. Nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at the back. Hey. Right, I've got some more wing bits and some stickers. Wings and stickers, my favourite. They're the same. What have we got? I'll do about 10 more minutes. Wings and stickers. I wonder if does every Lego set have stickers now? I'm sure I never had any stickers when I was young. So on sticker number 23. There it is. Yeah, I was positive. I don't ever remember putting stickers on things. It has come a long, long way. Oh yeah. Number B. Number 29? Yeah, number 29. So nice. I might be tempted to buy some Lego today. Has that already been put on? Yes, it has, and it goes. Oh, it's nice and easy. It goes on there. Does it? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Is that correct? It's correct. Okay, we're going to do the other side now. Why is that? Showing me turning it around. Why couldn't they have just taken a picture from the other side? Such a simple thing. So everybody in the comments, I say everybody in the comments, wishful thinking. If you guys would prefer time lapses and I can just be mute, I can do that. Or if you'd like a bit of a daily interaction, maybe the odd bit of wisdom without, oh, stuck to my hand. See, this is why I need tweezers. I just went to put that down and it stuck to my finger and dragged. 27 minutes. The time flies doing this. I mean, there's no reason in life for anybody to be bored anyway, but doing Lego, right, I think that's correct. So I put that on there like that, and then that looks the same as that side, and then EB, yes, wonderful. Have I got time to keep going? Yes, I have. Let's keep going. We're on a roll. We are on a roll. I'm going to build this piece, and then I've got to jump in the shower, get myself sorted for the day, and head on out. Not very good at being in for too long. Got to get moving. The winter won't be too bad because you can get some stuff done. Make the most of the morning, and then if it's cold, miserable, wet, you can come home, build some Lego, put a film on, and you've got the peace of mind that you've achieved something that day. You can't go through days not achieving anything. It makes people weak and miserable. So this morning, before 8 AM, I built some Lego, I'd worked out, did some washing up, you know, small goals. It hasn't got to be anything crazy every single day, but just chip away at life. Otherwise, all you are doing is existing in some kind of useless, mundane world. It's miserable. Does that go over that? That doesn't. hopefully something else goes on top of it. Oh yeah, it does. Right, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. A little grey rod. Oh, no. Is that a right angle or an angle? No, that is not right. It needs a number, one with a number 5 on it. I didn't think it looked right. There we go. I'm rambling on again, aren't I? I'll be quiet. This is why maybe I'm thinking a time lapse would be better for everybody. You haven't got to listen to me. Okay, let's put that to one side. Get another wing. Not that wing. That wing. I wonder if this stuff's got to be designed by computer nowadays, surely. Is it? Would it not be? Would it be computers, or was this just guys at the Lego factory just knocking out Lego? I don't know. I don't. Oh crap! Where does that go? Right. Okay. So I can see that, and I can see that. Does that go on there? Oh, it's a door. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. I think that's the door. I think I'll just put the door together. Do the doors open? Oh my God, my hands do not fit in there. Oh, it is. That's the door. No way. I thought I was putting together a little side wing, and as you can see, that is the little door. Fits in there nicely. That then all lines up. Very sweet. Sweet. Right, do I build the other door quickly? Oh no, we're not on the other door yet. Do I leave it at that stage? How long have we filmed for? 32. Do you know what, guys? I am going to leave it there. I've probably got about another half an hour, and that will be the Bugatti built. It's been a good week. I'm going to go and have a little day. And I will see you all. I'm going to leave all these pieces here. I'm going to cover them up with that because the cats will be in playing silly buggers. Let's not destroy the door I just made. Oh, I can't pick it up. Hide that piece. Yeah, I don't want the cats to mess around with all this. Because we know what killed the cat, don't we? Curiosity. Bye everybody. I'll see you all soon.